Your description is important because it is one of the things YouTube analyzes when deciding to send you out in suggestions, or put your video on the end of somebody else's video, or decide which search terms your video will turn up on. The first 3 lines are the most important because when YouTube analyzes description, it believes you have put the most important thing first, what the video is about. But everything in your description is being analyzed, so everything is important and can get you on different searches and sent out to different people. Those first 3 lines can put you higher on a search term for those words. This isn't just on YouTube. Your video shows up on other searches. I have typed into Google how to pin a tweet on Twitter. As you can see, all the top videos have those words in the title. They also have them in the first 3 lines and probably their first tag. YouTube also believes the first tags you write are more important as you have put them first, giving them a higher rating. But all the tags are important. All can get you on different searches. If you are using music, pictures, or other people's videos, adding a link to where you got them, the material you've used, could be the difference between YouTube declaring the video as copyright or reused content. If you do have anything in your video that you didn't create yourself, I have an article that you should read in my description explaining it. It's a must read for any gamer, anyone that uses any type of reused content. No point doing all these videos, gaining all these minutes, only to find out you can't be monetized on the type of videos you've created. I have typed the hashtag Tracey Treasures into the YouTube search engine. The first few are mine, then Deirdre's and net.com. They have both added my hashtag to their description, but if you go down, it shows you the results for my channel without the hashtag. Adding my link to their description means they show up in more search terms, and anyone looking for me will see them. But them adding my link means anyone who watches their video could possibly come and check out my channel. Since most people don't write a description or tag, if anyone typed their channel name into the search engine, they are not going to show up. People could change the search parameters on YouTube to look for a channel with those words, but then they get half a dozen different channels. They don't know which one was talked about in a video, so no one's doing that just because somebody said a name in a video. So if you want to get somebody to go visit a friend's channel, add a link to your description and a reason why people should go and watch it. Moira has the words Tracey and Treasures in the description, nowhere else on her channel, and she turns up for the search for my name. She'd do better having her own name in her description so people could find her channel by her own name. In my description, I have added bullet points to show you what should be in every description. You can copy and paste it to whatever program you write on. You have a hard copy of your own. Once you have completed the part you will have on every video, I will show you how to upload it onto YouTube, and that will be your standard description every time you upload a video. All that you have to do is change the first few lines on each description, add any links to materials you have used in that video and links to people you want to shout out before you send it public. It has to be before. On there I've put 1. Make sure the words in your title are in the first 3 lines of your description. Make sure the words describe what the video is about. 2. Use timestamps, even navigation. This is for people who just want to jump to a certain part, which is good for my channel. For people who have already listened to why, they might just want to come back and jump to the part that shows them how to do it. YouTube also classes it as 2 views if someone clicks on a timestamp. This is the part which will be on all your videos. Some of these things you might not have yet, or you might not be ready for, or you just might decide you never want to do. Put what you do have. You can change your standard description at any time. You can add more things or remove things. So 3, your call to arms. If someone is reading your description, they are already interested in you and what you have to say. You have their attention. Asking someone to like, comment and subscribe. Someone can do all those 3 things without leaving your video paid. Sounds repetitive to ask in your description as well, as I've already asked in my first 3 seconds. But different devices and different sites show different things differently, plus different people respond to different things. So they can do all those 3 things without leaving your page. 4. Next, write a little bit about your channel and the days and times you will be uploading. If you want to gain support from people, you need to be posting the same day and the same time each week. Picking a time you are free for an hour each time you upload is the best time to reach the most potential subscribers is really hard. But it means you're getting to see the same people, which builds support and loyalty. Answering comments as quick as possible also builds support. Ignoring comment or answering until 2 months later makes people feel ignored and they've forgotten about you. Posting whenever you like might be easier for you, but you're reaching different people at different times. They come once and then they've forgotten about you. It takes time to build relationship, familiarity and interest. 5. Add any social media links. I do have my social media links in my banner and in my about section, but different people look in different places. Look, Tracey Treasures is in those links, helping me on the tag for my own channel name. If you don't want to show up in the search engine for your real name, don't put personal social media links. Set up a different account just for your channel. This will be changed every video. Add a link to anything I have mentioned in the video. Add links to materials I have used. I've heard a lot of YouTubers say only put one link in your video or only ask your subscriber to do one thing. If someone is looking at your description, they are looking for a reason. They want something. Just asking them to subscribe doesn't mean that they are going to subscribe to your channel. They might have already subscribed. They are looking for a reason. I have multiple links in my description. When someone clicks on one, they are gone from my video, and it is unlikely they're going to keep going backwards and forwards for different links. They're going to be now reading whatever that link has sent them to. Anything they could be looking for is in there. For me, if they click on an article or a social media or go to a friend's channel, I'm happy with the result and they are happy because they found what they are looking for, which means there's a better chance they'll come back and see another video. But if they've gone to the description and what they was looking for isn't there, they're going to go somewhere else to find the answer. I've completed the bullet points I can for now. I will now copy that. I have left the bullet points I cannot complete right now. As a reminder to me, I will delete those on each video and write what needs to be written. I have also put hashtags I want to try, but I will delete most of them as I can only use 15 at a time. Plus I will keep the ones that worked on previous videos. So you need to click on your logo, click on YouTube Beta, then click on your settings. Click on Upload Defaults and paste your description. Go down and change visibility to unlisted. This means people who have a link to your video can watch, but no notifications will go out until you set it public, giving you the additional time to add any additional information you want. It all done before. As some people type into the search engine what they are looking for and change the search parameters to upload date last hour, you miss all of them if you do it after. Plus you gain ratings from each person that watches, so if you do it later you've missed out on all the people that have watched. Also, before setting it public, go look at it on your video. Check to see if you can click on the links. If you've done it correctly, make sure they're not too close together, so if somebody is using it on a phone, they can click on each individual link. I gained 10 hours watch time this week just from searches and suggestions, plus 56 new subscribers. I wouldn't have got any of those if it wasn't for my description. I hope you've enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you next week. Goodbye.